In this video, I'll be showing you State Farm Drive Safe and Save setup instructions. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for State Farm, download the app, and open it. Once the app launches, you'll be asked how you want to log in. You can either sign in using your existing State Farm account or create a new account if you don't already have one. If you already have an account, tap Use Login Details. Otherwise, follow the steps to create a new account. The process is quick and straightforward. After logging in, you'll see your scorecard on the main screen. From here, you can choose to enroll or cancel enrollment. Tap Agree to Enroll to join the Drive Safe and Save program and start qualifying for potential discounts based on your driving behavior. Next, tap Overview to review your insurance details and billing information. Completing the full enrollment is important to make sure your discount stays active. You can also tap Safe and Drive to view your vehicle information and finish the setup. Here, you'll be able to see details like your VIN number, update your odometer reading if needed, and review your driving data. Once everything is set up, you can also check your savings and discounts directly in the app. And that's it. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.